Guys, thanks for watching. Now in this video I'm going to talk about marketing and how you can promote your My Daily Life business 100% for free. Okay, we're going to use a platform and we're going to track everything. I'm going to show you that prove you that this traffic works and that we actually get conversions with this traffic. Okay, so first of all, we're using the wonderful free marketing system that's built into My Daily Choice. Okay, so you don't have to be creating your own funnels. They're already set up for you. All the built-in autoresponder, everything is 100% set up, and they go through the dynamic funnel, and they immediately get their very own temporary back office that they can learn about the business and also see that there are people being positioned under them even as we speak. So let me just show you from my stats that are also built into My Daily Choice. So basically, guys, with My Daily Choice, we have a marketing system, full-blown marketing system with full-blown funnels. We have a built-in tracking tool that tracks everything. Okay, as you can see, it's not just tracking the hits, it's tracking the pre-enrollees. These are the tour takers, and it's also tracking the people who actually, become an affiliate or customer, right the way through. Normally, you'd have to pay, probably $50, $60, $100 a month just for these tools, and you still need to figure out and learn how to connect them all up and go through all that learning curve. But here, it's already done and set up for you. So I'm going to show you using this tool. Okay, so we've got LeadsLeap. Some of you may or may not know this platform. It's called LeadsLeap. This platform will allow you to send free traffic to any link. Okay, you can also do some tracking on here as well. So it's always good to do tracking, but basically this one single platform will send great quality traffic to your business, and I'll prove to you with my stats that this platform works. This is LeadsLeap, and I'm tracking everything within My Daily Choice. So here at My Daily Choice, we've got some traffic coming in here. I've only put in these links in about a day or maybe just a couple of days ago. So we've only had a couple of days, and it's a free platform. So LeadsLeap, okay. So we've got my ad here from LeadsLeap here. We've got another LeadsLeap ad here, okay, and we've got another LeadsLeap ad here. I think I mentioned that. Did I got that leads? Okay, so here we from this particular ad. Okay, we've had. Hold on a minute, let me just highlight that. Okay, so we've had 27 hits just from that ad alone. Okay, and we've had one pre-enrollee. Okay, so that's great. This ad was submitted a couple of days ago. I actually yeah. So let's just let me just show you. So what I've set up here is I put the CP26. That means capture page 26. That's the capture page that I used for this ad. Okay, and it's on LeadsLeap. It's one of the pro ads because I'm actually a pro member. But you actually get the same traffic on for free members, and but you just simply the difference is you just simply have to surf ads every single day in order to make sure that you continuously get traffic coming into your link. But with the pro ads, you don't have to surf. It's as simple as that. But you can still make this work just as well if you're willing to go and surf 10 ads a day. It literally takes about less than 2 or 3 minutes to do. I'll show you that a bit later. But so the capture page 20. What was it? 26. So I used this capture page. Okay, I didn't really expect this capture page to work. Personally, I prefer this page or this page. I think they're kind of cool. Maybe that's just because I'm a bloke. When I think about business, I think about nice cars. That's what excites me. But it's kind of like when you're marketing, guys, you can't always just use what page you personally prefer. That's why it's so wonderful with My Daily Choice. We're using pages that you'd have no idea what's going to make people want to take action. So we've got pages here that will suit everybody. Okay, so you never know what other people are going to choose. It's like when you go fishing, and you put on you go fishing. And you want to go and fish and get some fish, you're not going to put in, you're not going to go to McDonald's and put in a Big Mac on the end of your line and expect to get fish, because they don't want a Big Mac. What they want is they want little worms. They want bait. Okay, and obviously humans hate that. So we wouldn't put on the fishing line what we want. We put on what they want. So that's what we've got here. We're putting the bait out there, and we don't necessarily like what we like. We put out what they might potentially like, and you'd never know that without the tracking. You'd never know what other people like without the tracking. So I was actually quite surprised. It's not. I mean, it's a nice website. It's a lovely website. And it's kind of it might appeal to certain people, women, or maybe it's kind of a health, perhaps a kind of a healthy sort of lifestyle, casual, everyday person. I don't know. So it might be the the wording, for example. Okay, build your empire, find out how to manifest your true calling, whatever it is. So I've now, since I've realized that this was converting on LeadsLeap, I put the page out there again, but I changed some of the wording in the ad itself over on LeadsLeap. Let's just have a look at the pro ad. So here it is, right here. What I did was I put that ad there. Okay, and this you got the source CP26 LeadsLeap pro ad. You can change this after the equal sign. You can change this to anything you want, and when people click on it, or and even possibly take action, that shows up in your stats area right here, and you can see how that ad performs. Okay, so it says build your empire, and I stuck in just a screenshot of the capture page. So yeah, that's what I did. So since I realized that was converting, I decided to create an identical ad, but I just simply changed the image. And what I did is I took a screenshot of this part. Okay, let's just show it. I just took a screenshot of this part. Okay, and I slightly changed the wording. Manifest your calling. Find out how to manifest your true calling. Work from home. Okay, and see how that goes. All right, I've only just literally added that to there, and we'll see. Okay, so it really is as simple as that, guys. It's very simple, and I'm going to go on testing other pages, see what works. And the great thing about these pages is they go through into the same. They give you the same temporary back office, but because they came through a certain page, for example, CBD, or down here in this case, bit cryptocurrency or travel. They go through into the same temporary back office, but the branding actually changes of that temporary back office. And there's some text, because obviously if you're sending out for example this page, and you go through, and on the inside they actually see the branding of the Akashex, which is the product that they were interested in when they opted in on the form on the capture page, and also a little bit of information specifically about Akashex underneath the video. But it's the same standard video, because it's the opportunity video, so they can learn about My Daily Choice as a whole. But it's nice that they actually brand the inside of that funnel depending on what capture page they come in on. Yeah, this is a complete system. What I'm sharing with you here with the LeadsLeap, sending free traffic straight to your done-for-you lead capture page. They go through, and you can track everything as they go through, and it's brilliant. So let me just show you quickly how to set up an ad. So for free members, click on the link below, join LeadsLeap. I would advise upgrading to the Pro. There's so much more that you get with this, including a full-blown funnel system and autoresponder and everything. For the free member, you can still use the drag and drop page builder here, but if you're using this for any business, yes, it's great. If you're using this for My Daily Choice, obviously we've got all the tracking and everything inside, and we've got the marketing system as well. So, but you can still use it for the traffic, to generate traffic. Okay, so I'm going to create a free ad. Okay, just to show you. I've got mostly cryptocurrency and stuff for Paribas and stuff. But I'm going to just switch out this ad, and I'm just going to edit the ad, and I'm going to just, for example, I'm just going to take this one for now. And what I've done is, for example, with this particular one, the actual website itself, the website address, including my username at the end, is simply this. But if I want to stick the source, I'll just put it in a /, and then followed by source equals, and then after here I'll put in something that will mean something to me, so I can just see how the traffic is performing. And then I'll just type in, for example, LeadsLeap, because this is the platform that's generating the traffic. I'll put in a free ad. Sorry. And then actually what I'm going to do is I'm also going to just make sure that I just type in what capture page I'm actually using. So I'm going to just copy all the URLs that you use will actually have it'll actually tell you what capture page you're actually using. But I'm going to put that in the source here. I'll just put it at the end, that's fine. And then paste that in there, just so I know. Okay, and actually I'll just show you on the stats page. So notice that I don't have that this particular source added into the list on the advertising or on the tracking page here. But let me just show you. If I actually just go to that website with the tracking code at the end there, and now I refresh. I go back to the source here. I refresh it. Was that okay? Hold on. What was it? Let me just try and find it on the page. Actually, hold on a minute. Oh, there it is. It's interesting. It's already got 3. I wonder why that is. Anyway, that's good though. Okay, that's fine. But yeah. So let's go back here and put in something. For example, I'm not going to spend too much time on it because this is the video. Obviously, I'll go back and change it a bit later. But we can only put 25 characters here, so we haven't got a lot of space. So I'm going to change this later. I mean, I wouldn't put things like work from home because that's just too generic. But for this purpose of this video, okay. It's too much. Okay, work from home and join thousands. Something like that. Okay, I'm going to change it later. No big deal. So then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a quick screenshot, probably of this here. And with a Mac, you can actually take a screenshot and send it to Clipboard, copy it down to Clipboard. I don't know if you can do that on Windows. So I've just taken a screenshot, and I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to just paste it in there, and it automatically adds it. Done. So that's updated that. I'm going to change that to Home Biz. I think that's fine. Yep, that looks fine. Done. So I'm going to preview the ad, and it opens up, and that's what people will see. It opens up in a pop-up window, and people can surf and they can't miss the ad. Okay, so that was just a preview. So that's how it works. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to come back and change that later, but now you understand how you can generate traffic, how you can market your business. But once they come into your, obviously, particularly this one, for example. So if I look at LeadsLeap, okay, if I just grab this is the person that came in from LeadsLeap. Okay, and there's one person that came in. I can go to my contact manager, and on the contact manager you have a search form at the top. Okay, and you can just paste your source code in there. Actually, hold on a minute, that was the wrong one. Sorry, hold on. Where am I? Okay. Okay, that's the correct one. Yeah, capture page 26, LeadsLeap. That was the pro ad. Okay, and this is the person that came in. I'm going to just blur it out because it's sensitive information, but this is a real person from the United States. And if I want to, I could just send this person an email. Say, I noticed you came in through LeadsLeap, and you got all their information. Okay, just click here, and you got all the details here. She's even given her telephone number, so I could even call her up. Okay, and I've got all this data. I can call her up, say you came in through LeadsLeap, and I've got the exact time she came in. Okay, this is actually Chicago, over Chicago times, about 14 hours behind me that she is. So I could just make sure that I don't know, that's not her time, but she is in the United States, so I could just time it perfectly for her and know that she's obviously been online at this sort of time. But I probably wouldn't call her at that time anyway. It looks like it's sort of middle of the night, but anyway, she's in the United States. I could time it perfect for her, so I could just call her up. I've got her first name, her last name. She's given me her telephone number. Telephone is optional, okay? Telephone is optional. She didn't have to give the telephone number. So she took action. She gave the information. She's given the data. She's given full permission to let me give her a call. So that's in my opinion, that is a hot lead. Okay, this is not cold calling, guys. This is leads that have been given to you by the people themselves, and you've got plenty of data here. This is how you generate your own leads, and you know, she's now my lead, and she's also getting all the automated follow-up emails, and so she's being promoted to by My Daily Choice on my behalf, branded to me, and the system is just getting to work. But I'd always highly recommend reaching out to these people, contact them, and so that you can get them properly set up. All right, thanks for watching, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.